Here I've got LENOVO S5 and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at first let's open the phone dealer, go to keypad, and let's start with the first code, which is asterisk pound 225 pound asterisk pound asterisk. And as you can see, this one will provide you with all events that are saved in your calendar, so you can come along with all celebrations, important events, and you will not forget about any important date. Let's go back, and now it's time for the second code, which is asterisk pound 426 pound asterisk pound asterisk. And this one is a diagnostic mode, so you can check both events and also status here. If you click on the more icon located in the right upper corner, you can open advanced view and come along with some more advanced details. So let me go back. That would be all for the second code, and it's time to enter another one, which is asterisk pound 4636 pound asterisk pound asterisk. And here we've got testing mode, where you can check phone information, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi information. Let's start with the first step, which is phone info, where you can locate email number, phone number, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, voice network type, data network type, and you can also run a ping test here. Simply click on this switcher to do it. And that's it. As you can see, it passed. So let me go back. Then you can go to user statistics. And here you can come along with detailed information about your applications. So you've got both usage time and last time used, both with names. Let me go back. And the third tab is Wi-Fi information. Simply open it. And here you can come along with APA, configuration, and status. So let's start with APA, where you can notice disabled network, disconnected network, enabled network, configured networks, and also the whole connection info. And then in configuration, you can check all configured networks. So it's just simple to check all the configured networks in your device, in your LENOVO S5. And finally, you can also check your network status. Simply click on status, refresh it, and now you can come along with Wi-Fi state, network state, and all the other very useful information. This mode also allows you to run a ping test here. Simply click on this tab to perform this operation. And that's it. As you can see, it passed as well. So let me go back, as it's time for the last code. Pretty short one, but very useful, and it's asterisk pound 06 pound. And as you can see, your email numbers just popped up. So simply by entering this number, you can come along with both email numbers assigned to your device, to your Lenovo. So that would be all. Click on OK to go back. You've just came along with all secret codes for your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.